So I wanted to share my biggest travel hack, which is how to fly Spirit without paying their crazy baggage fees. So I actually got my tickets for a crazy good deal. $69 round trip. And that's not normal, and I know that, but I will share how I got those tickets and then how I got away with not paying the baggage fees, which for a $69 round trip ticket would have been $90 round trip for my bag, just to have a carry-on. So I'm going to share how I got through all of that. So first you're going to want to start with either a small duffel bag or a large backpack. They have certain dimensions that you're supposed to fit when it comes to a personal item on Spirit. And this is a little beyond it, but I've never had a problem. So this is the perfect size. So one of my tricks for bringing this size duffel bag onto Spirit Airlines is to carry it like it's a purse. So carry it like this, and it will make it look a lot smaller than it actually is. I'm going on a trip for 5 nights, so I have to pack enough clothes for all of that. But my biggest tip is to be able to reuse your clothes. So I only bring 1 pair of shorts, 1 extra pair of jeans, and the jeans I'm going to be wearing on the flight. So I always plan all of my outfits around these 3 bottoms. The same thing goes for shoes. So I try to pack shoes that will go with all of my outfits. So I bring a pair of brown sandals, a pair of black sandals, and a pair of sneakers. And then I'm also wearing my gym shoes, which are my biggest pair of shoes. So I try to wear whatever my biggest clothing and pair of shoes are on the plane so it doesn't have to go in my bag. So I'm gonna go over everything I packed for a 5-night trip to Arizona. So I started with what, like I said, a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, because it is February still. And then I also have all of my comfy clothes. So what I'm gonna sleep in, 1 zip up, and a comfy long sleeve shirt. And then these are the nice clothes that I'll be wearing throughout the week. So I have tank tops, things I can layer, a button down, all of that. And then for hiking, I brought 2 different outfits for 2 days of hiking. Then when it comes to hair accessories, I have 3 scrunchies, goes with any outfit, 2 cuter hair accessories, and my baseball cap. We're gonna be going to some Cubs spring training, so gotta have that. Then you're going to need 1 bag for your liquids and 1 bag for your makeup. Try to keep it as small as possible. I mean, you can only bring anything 3.4 fluid ounces anyway, so try to limit that. I bring a couple of face masks because traveling is super drying for your skin, so that's helpful. I normally have a very large Dory. I normally use a larger toothbrush, one of those rechargeable kinds, but since I don't have a ton of room, I'm bringing a brand new throwaway type of toothbrush. Then I bring 1 hair tool. I like to bring this because I can wave my hair, I can curl it, and that's normally what I do with my hair, or I just let it air dry like this. I have my Apple Watch because I'll be hiking a lot and I'm gonna record that. And I have both of my chargers. And then I bring 1 small purse. Since this is your personal item, you cannot have a purse on while you're going through. So make sure it's really small so it can fit into your bag. I also have my swimsuit, of course, in case it gets warm enough in Arizona that I can actually use it. Then I bring my Beats headphones that I can wear on the plane like this, so it doesn't have to go in my bag at all. So now I'm going to show you how I pack all of this into that small duffel. So obviously I had to ditch my purse in the end. It wouldn't fit, but I don't really need it anyway. just brought my wallet and that's all that really matters. Everything else fit in this little duffel bag for 6 to 7 day trip. Now watch as I push Spirit's baggage limits and bring this bag onto the flight as my personal item.